Welcome to the Ivory Attic. We're having a special holiday cocktail edition. What's the holiday that's coming up?
I think it's the day for loving.
The day for loving? What day could that possibly be?
Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
Wow,
Yeah.
special Valentine's Day edition. It's also President's Day weekend, too.
That's true. It could be both.
It could be both. Why not celebrate both? So what do you got on tap, Barkeep?
Well, so here's what I was thinking about doing. Immediately, you go to thoughts about, like, with Valentine's Day, you think of pink things, right?
Sure.
So immediately, I think of a pink gin.
Oh, yeah, sure.
With one real problem. Actually, there's two problems.
It doesn't taste that good.
It doesn't taste that good, and it's also not actually pink.
Right.
It uses Angostura bitters, which are definitely orange. And so when you make the drink, which is just gin and bitters, you end up with an orange drink.
It's a very strong orange bittery.
Exactly. So we're gonna make what I'm calling a pinkish gin.
Oh, pinkish gin.
Yeah,
I'm interested.
So a pinkish gin. Let's do it. All right. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take
Ish. Is that because of my last name?
Yeah, that's right. The pink-ish
There you
gin.
go. Good.
Perfect. All right. We're gonna start with some gin, of course. All right. 2 ounces of the gin. This is going to look. I was kind of trying to riff a little bit on a Vesper a little bit too.
Okay.
So it's going to start out just like a martini. All right. So we're going to start some dry vermouth.
All right.
I have a new bottle for those of you who watch all these episodes because I ran out of the old one. And they don't carry the one I use anymore.
That's a private conversation for the state store.
All right. So to actually make it a pink gin, we're going to use some actual pink bitters.
Oh.
And in fact, use peychauds bitters,
Okay.
right, which are actually pink.
Yeah, they are.
And so we're going to do 2 dashes of that.
All right.
All right. And then to add just a little bit of sweetness, I'm just going to take, and we're going to do.
No.
I know, I never do this.
It's a maraschino cherry juice.
It's been a maraschino cherry juice.
That's wonderful.
It also is going to make it a little nice.
I was wondering why the cherries were there.
Yeah, that's why they're there. Well, they're going to be there for the garnish as well.
Okay.
So stir it around. Always our favorite part. And obviously into a chilled glass. And then for a garnish, we're going to also garnish this. Single maraschino cherry. There you go, sir.
Delicious.
Enjoy your pink-ish gin.
Love is in the air. Thank you. This is quite good.
Yeah.